Hello guys, hope you guys are doing really good. So I have one Spring Boot application here and I am running as a Spring Boot application from the main class. I know this application is going to fail because of some reasons, but that's fine. Our intention of this video is something else. Okay, so let us start first, then we will show that. Okay, so as you know that whenever you are running an application, so here you could see the Spring Boot banner will come, right? This is a standard Spring Boot banner that you get with every Spring Boot application, just to know what is a Spring Boot version they are using. So all these things will come here, but let's say like you are working in a bigger project and you are deploying this in the, obviously you will deploy this in some server, right? So you want to ensure that you are saving the space, especially on the logs. Okay, log space, because these were logs, right? So you want to ensure even the small kind of this should be avoided, so that you will save little bit of space. Okay, so there's a provision in Spring Boot to not to display this banner. Okay, so that thing we will see now. Okay, so simply go to your application dot properties and then you do something like spring dot banner dot mode. Spring dot banner, there are some other properties are also there. I think there is a one more will be there, spring dot banner dot I think show mode, or okay. So when you get confused, simply go here and type it like spring banner disable, then you get here, then this one we are trying to remove, right? So here, see this guy, so it should be spring dot main dot banner mode. See here, this should be switched off. By default it is switched on. Now I am trying to switch off. Okay, now you save it, run as a Spring Boot application. So the property is banner here, main banner, and you are setting that mode here. Okay, you don't have to remember these things, guys. You just need to remember the concept and just Google it. You see our Spring Boot banner is missing now, right? Because you made this as off. Now if I make this as on, what will happen? I think you don't need this console. Okay, the value is console. Now this should come. See, so this is what I want to show here. Hope you guys like this and you guys try to practice in your own systems. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.